Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you the way that you can fix the WhatsApp media download problem. First thing that you'll need to ensure in this case is if you have a stable connection. If you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, you could also try switching to your cellular data or vice versa. Also, you'll need to make sure that your phone has enough space so that it can download the media that it has received. Now, if this is not the issue with you, what you'll also need to verify is that the date and time settings on your phone is set to automatic. So just quickly head over to the settings on your phone and then head over to the date and time settings. Inside of date and time settings, again, make sure you head over to the date and time, and right here you'll need to ensure that the date and time is selected to automatic. So once you do this step, try to see if you can now receive the files or the media that you have just got on your WhatsApp. Also, what you can do is try to restart your device. Sometimes restarting your device alone should be able to fix these common issues. What you can also try out is try to update the app of WhatsApp. If you do see new updates available within WhatsApp, make sure you tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to fix any sort of bugs or minor glitches which may be causing the issue. Lastly, what you can try out is try to clear the WhatsApp cache. Just tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to this eye icon or add info. From this settings page, head over to storage and just tap on the clear cache option. Once you follow these few simple steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp media download problem. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.